Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. EPHQ, and welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times weird. Today's episode is all about how do you capture motion in a photo. And I'm not talking about the cliche dragging the shutter, light trails and circles, but seriously, how do you capture motion in a photograph? I need you to tell me because I have no idea. There's like a million ways, but I'm gonna throw out my knee-jerk reaction to this. I'm gonna tell you because I got an answer, and I'm gonna tell you. No, 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 no. Now, for real though, for me, the best way to capture motion in a photo is the unexpected moment that I am not technically prepared to capture correctly and accurately, but I insist on capturing that moment, whether it be an emotion or whatever. I will literally be like, and get the shot. Case in point, I think it was Ham Motorsports in Newport Beach asked me to cover a monster truck rally, which I almost died at twice, which was so cool. It was really cool today, not at the time when it was happening. The first moment where I almost got smushed was when this like 1/5 the size of a monster truck vehicle came at me, like one of those giant RC cars, and launched off a ramp. And it launched off the ramp incorrectly, spun off its axis. I was standing in front of it, literally like, here comes this big monster truck, and I just went like this. And I felt the breeze of the car going over me. I almost had my camera with my then 5D Mark II with a fisheye lens on it almost get completely destroyed. And that one frame of the car going just past my camera, where good 85% of the frame is this wheel with very subtle motion on it from spinning, and the vehicle, you can still see the entirety of the vehicle behind the wheel in the frame. It was, of course, life or death, cake or death, but that was a way that I was able to capture and show emotion. Bands, there are very similar aspects and techniques and ways that I like to do as well that are very unorthodox, but it works for me. What about you? What do you do? Share downstairs in the Kilt Zone. And I'm completely blowing my 3-minute limit. Dang it. I tried. These are so difficult sometimes, but there's a lot to say. So totally share downstairs in the Kilt Zone because this program is a little bit of like an iron sharpens iron. So don't be shy. Dry your eye. Oh, that's Will Smith. What's that from? Dang it. That hit me in the eye. It's an old rap song. If you know old school Will Smith, then please share it downstairs in the Kilt Zone because I'm going to be wrecking my brain out for like the rest of the day and night. In fact, I'll probably have to look up the old recording that I have of Will Smith and DJ Jazzy Jeff when they did a recording at, I think it was the Green Mill in Kansas City, like a bajillion years ago. I used to have a pirated cassette copy. Now I think I have it digitally. I'll have to find it. Okay. If you're liking the show, great, thanks. If you're commenting, liking, and sharing, even better. If you're a subscriber on YouTube, you are amazing. If you're not, you should. Give it a shot. Give it a whirl. Give it a whirl, Merle. And until next time, remember to do one thing properly, and it makes you go... Wait, hold on. Sorry, almost forgot. Mr. Pope. Remember to do one thing and one thing properly, and that is to do what? stay caffeinated. Oh, I did those backwards. See how I did that? Keep you on your toes. And that's it in this episode of Raw 365. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.